Do you want to engage with your followers and get more customers from TikTok for your tourism business? TikTok Lives are a great way to build an engaged community and offer a real-time experience to your followers. Hi, I'm Pamela, and in this video I will show you how to go live with your event on TikTok. Note that you need to have at least 1,000 TikTok followers to go live, but we will show you how to grow your TikTok follower base in another video, so don't worry. Because TikTok Lives are streamed in real time, they feel more authentic. This helps you build a stronger connection with your audience. For example, if you're organising a 2-day festival, you can go live on the first day so that people who missed it can join you later. To prepare for your live, first check your internet connection is good. Make sure you have good lighting and a suitable camera angle and not too much background noise, unless of course you're streaming a concert. Plan what you want to show in advance so that your live seems seamless. Now you are ready to go live with your TikTok event. First, open your TikTok on mobile, tap the plus button and scroll to the bottom and then scroll over to the live section. Then you can name your live so that people know what it's about. Keep it catchy and short. For example, BTS of our concert. You can also add a topic so your live is discovered by more people. But if there's no relevant topic, you can always pick none. Down the bottom here, you can see various effects or choose an enhance option. Now you're ready to go live. When you are live, make sure to ask questions, read out comments and respond to them. The more engagement you have on your live, the more likely it will be shown to more people. TikTok Lives can be as long as you like, but it's best practice to keep them under half an hour. Just enough time to capture your audience's attention, but not too long to lose them. In other videos, we will show you how to use Facebook and Instagram stories to connect with your potential customers. I'll see you next time.
And don't forget, for more great tips, resources and insights to further fuel your marketing success, be sure to visit our business support hub at faultireland.ie.